What's up, guys? Today we're diving into a topic that's a little bit different. We're talking about 15 ways to make money that are totally legal, but some people might think they're a little bit shady. If you're down to learn about the wild world of making money, even the ways that might raise a few eyebrows, then smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. First up, we've got fake reviews. People can make serious cash by writing fake positive reviews for products or services, or even by posting negative reviews about competitors. Think about it. You could create a whole bunch of fake accounts and offer your reviewing services to businesses. But here's the thing, is it really worth it? What if you get caught? Plus, you're kind of messing with the whole system, making it harder for people to find real reviews. So yeah, it's legal, but is it ethical? That's for you to decide. Next, let's talk about multi-level marketing, also known as MLM. This business model has been around for decades and has attracted millions of people worldwide. Basically, with MLM, you make money by selling products and by recruiting other people to sell those products too. It's a system where your earnings are based not just on your sales, but also on the sales of the people you bring into the business. The more people you recruit, the more money you make. This creates a network of sellers, often referred to as your downline, and ideally everyone benefits from the collective effort. Sounds great, right? Well, the problem is that a lot of MLM companies focus more on recruiting than on selling actual products. This can lead to a situation where the market becomes saturated with sellers, but there aren't enough buyers. People end up spending a ton of money on inventory that they can't sell, and they end up losing money instead of making it. The pressure to recruit can also strain personal relationships, as people often turn to friends and family to join their downline. Imagine you convince all your friends and family to join your downline, promising them riches and freedom. But when the sales don't come through, it can lead to disappointment and financial strain for everyone involved. The dream of financial independence can quickly turn into a nightmare of debt and broken relationships. Alright, let's talk about something that's a little more, shall we say, interesting. Selling counterfeit goods. It's a booming underground industry that thrives on deception and the allure of luxury at a bargain price. People are making a killing by selling knockoff versions of popular brands at a fraction of the price. These fake products range from designer handbags and watches to electronics and even pharmaceuticals. Imagine this. You find a supplier online, maybe somewhere with cheap manufacturing, and you order 1,000 fake Gucci bags for a couple of bucks each. The quality might be questionable, but the appearance is convincing enough to fool many. Then, you turn around and sell them online for, let's say, $100 a pop. The profit margins are enormous, and the demand for these counterfeit goods is surprisingly high. Boom! You're rolling in dough, right? But here's the catch. While the money might be flowing in, the risks are equally high. Selling counterfeit goods is illegal and can land you in some serious hot water. Authorities are cracking down on this black market, and getting caught can result in hefty fines, legal battles, and even jail time. So is it really worth the gamble? Ever wonder how those creepy targeted ads seem to know exactly what you're thinking? Well, data mining might be the answer. Companies are collecting your personal data, like your browsing history, your location, even your likes and dislikes, and selling it to the highest bidder. Think about it. Every time you click on a website, every time you use an app, you're leaving a trail of digital breadcrumbs. And guess what? Companies are scooping them up and building a profile of you. Is it legal? In many cases, yes. Is it ethical? That's a whole other can of worms. Alright, let's talk about something that really grinds my gears, ticket scalping. You know the deal, a big concert or sporting event is coming to town, and suddenly, tickets are sold out everywhere. But then you go online and there they are being sold by scalpers for 2, 3, even 10 times the original price. These guys use bots to buy up huge amounts of tickets the second they go on sale, leaving real fans high and dry. But ethically speaking, it's pretty messed up. Now, let's talk about the wild world of online content, specifically clickbait. You know those headlines that are like, "You won't believe what happened next," or "This one trick will change your life." Yeah, that's clickbait, and it's everywhere. Here's the deal. Content creators, especially on sites like YouTube, rely on views and clicks to make money. The more views they get, the more ad revenue they generate. The problem is, the content rarely lives up to the hype. Chapter 7, Payday Loans, Borrowing Trouble. Alright, let's get real about a serious issue, payday loans. These short-term loans are marketed as a quick fix for people who need cash fast. But in reality, they're a trap that can send people spiraling into a cycle of debt. These loans usually come with insanely high interest rates, sometimes as high as 400% or more. Selling academic papers. The easy way out. Okay, let's talk about something in the academic world. Selling academic papers. There are websites out there that allow people to buy and sell essays, research papers, even entire dissertations. This can be a very lucrative opportunity. However, some may think it devalues the whole point of education, which is to learn and grow. Chapter 9. Fake charities. Profiting from kindness. Let's talk about something that really gets under my skin. Fake charities. There are people out there who exploit people's generosity for their own personal gain, and that's just plain wrong. These fake charities often use names that sound similar to legitimate charities to trick people into donating. They might even create fake websites and social media pages to make themselves look more convincing. Alright, let's talk about pyramid schemes, one of the oldest scams in the book. These schemes promise people the chance to get rich quick by recruiting others into the scheme. But here's the catch. There's no real product or service being sold. The money from the new recruits is then used to pay off the people at the top of the pyramid, while the people at the bottom are left holding the bag. Pyramid schemes are illegal for a reason. They're unsustainable and rely on constantly recruiting new members to keep the money flowing. Alright, let's talk about something that's just gross selling expired goods. We're talking about selling food, medicine, even cosmetics that are way past their expiration date, stuff that could potentially be harmful to people's health. Not only did you waste your money, but now you're potentially putting your health at risk. Let's talk about the world of social media and the pursuit of online fame. In today's digital age, having a large following on social media can translate to real-world influence and even income. But what happens when people try to take a shortcut to popularity? Enter fake social media followers. You see, there are companies out there that sell fake followers, likes, and even comments. But here's the thing, fake followers are about as useful as a screen door on a submarine. Chapter 13. Black Hat, SEO, Gaming the System. Now let's talk about something that's a bit technical, but equally shady. Black Hat SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's the art of getting your website to rank higher in search engine results. Black Hat SEO involves using unethical tactics to manipulate search engine algorithms and game the system. If you get caught using Black Hat SEO, your website could be penalized, or even worse, banned from search results altogether. Chapter 14. Selling personal information, your data on the dark web. Alright, let's talk about something that's straight up creepy, selling personal information on the dark web. We're talking about your social security number, your credit card information, even your medical records. This information is incredibly valuable to identity thieves and scammers, and they're willing to pay top dollar for it. Data breaches are becoming increasingly common, with hackers targeting businesses and organizations that store large amounts of personal data. 15. Fake job postings. Scam or opportunity? Let's talk about something that's particularly cruel. Fake job postings. These deceptive listings can be found on various job boards and even on reputable websites. There are people out there who prey on job seekers, taking advantage of their desperation to find employment. These scammers are often very skilled at making their postings look legitimate. They create fake job listings, often for positions that sound too good to be true, and use them to collect personal information or even scam people out of money. These listings might promise high salaries, flexible hours, or remote work opportunities. The recruiter might ask you to provide personal information that seems unnecessary for a job application, like your social security number or bank account details. This information can then be used for identity theft or other malicious purposes. Or they might ask you to pay a fee for a background check or training materials. These fees can add up quickly, and once paid, the scammer disappears, leaving the job seeker out of pocket and still unemployed. It's a cruel trick that preys on people's hopes and dreams. Job seekers are left feeling disheartened and betrayed, making it even harder for them to trust legitimate job opportunities in the future. To protect yourself, always research the company and the job posting. Look for reviews or any scam alerts related to the employer. If something feels off, trust your instincts and proceed with caution. By staying vigilant and informed, you can avoid falling victim to these scams and find genuine opportunities that will help you achieve your career goals. So, there you have it, 15 legal but unethical ways people are making money. Now I want to be clear, I don't condone any of these methods. The truth is, there are plenty of ethical ways to make money. If you're looking for more ideas on how to build wealth, make sure to check out my other videos. And hey, if you found this video eye-opening, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.